Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead here on ArkLaTexHomepage.com. And we'll begin things with a severe thunderstorm watch to begin the week ahead. We do have a cluster of thunderstorms entering the western sections of the area early this Monday afternoon. Severe thunderstorm watch as a result is in effect for the possibility for some damaging winds because of these thunderstorms. This watch is in effect until 7 p.m. Look at what's causing the thunderstorms across the region, and you can see that we are looking at the upper level low we've been talking about for the past week. It's finally to our north, and this probably the last of the big waves of storms that we'll see. Possibility for some scattered storms for your Tuesday, but after that, upper level high pressure to our west should begin to take control, and that will shut off the rainfall chances as we head into the last half of the work week. Here's that upper level low. You can see it finally moving away. Here comes the ridge. You can see it centered across West Texas here by Wednesday evening. That'll keep all the showers and thunderstorms to the east of the Ark-La-Tex probably through most of the weekend. We will see a chance with this little weakness here of a few thunderstorms Sunday, and then the ridge will try to take hold once again and stay over us enough to limit rainfall chances. Can't totally eliminate the chance of rain from the forecast here for the first half of next week, but it should be rather isolated the way it looks right now. As far as the next couple of days, looking at Robbins Toyota Futurecast, you can see the clusters of thunderstorms that will slide their way and decrease across the area tonight. Tomorrow, a few more scattered showers and thunderstorms will be possible, mainly during the afternoon hours. And once these storms leave or decrease, we will be pretty much done. You can see a mostly cloudy sky for tomorrow night. And as we head into Wednesday, we will see a very small chance for a random shower or thunder shower, mainly over the eastern and southeastern sections of the area. As far as rainfall potential, that's going to be a concern here with the thunderstorms that we experience during the next 36 hours. A high-res model showing somewhere in the Ark-La-Tex we could be looking at 2 to 5 inches of rainfall. This particular model does show that the threat will be highest over the northern half of the area, but keep in mind this could happen anywhere across the region. As a result, we do have a flash flood watch, which is also in effect through tonight for basically the northern half of the Ark-La-Tex here, northwest Louisiana, northeast Texas, southwest Arkansas, as well as McCurtain County. So longer range, this is how it all plays out as that upper level ridge takes hold. We will see rainfall chances go down and temperatures will go up. You can see upper 80s for daytime highs across the area tomorrow. We'll see low to middle 90s for highs basically for the rest of the week. Lows will kind of settle into the middle 70s. We will see that chance for the shower thunderstorm Sunday, and then that chance will become more isolated as we head into next week, as highs will kind of ease back into the mid to upper 80s. Overnight lows will cool back down into the upper 60s to low 70s as we go into the last half of next week. So it looks like thunderstorms producing two threats here this afternoon, this evening. One will be the chance for some damaging winds in a few scattered spots. Also looking at the potential for some flash flooding with a few isolated locations receiving anywhere from 2 to 5 inches of rainfall.